Most of the speakers, what they do is that they stand like this, and they just look front in the middle. They're afraid to maintain eye contact or make eye contact with the left and right audience.
Yes.
It has happened, right? That, and this is one thing that a speaker do. There's a second mistake that's how an individual do when they are on the stage, is that they maintain eye contact with only one or two person who's sitting, and the audience in front of them think, why is the speaker looking at me only? It happens, right? And you get very conscious
When
that
they're taking class also, it happens.
they'll only look at one person because they're comfortable seeing only that one person, and they're afraid of seeing others. This happens, correct? Yes, no? So the only thing is that when you stand on the stage, it's important for you to understand, I have to look at everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I cannot maintain eye contact with all the 60 or 600 people, but what I can do is that using this LMR strategy, I'm gonna look in the, when I look left side, I'm gonna look in a group of people. Then I'm gonna look in the middle, I'm gonna look at the group of people, and the right side group of people. So that's one thing. Or also, if you have less head count, let's say there's only 100 people or 50 people, so see, if it is above 100 or above 50 or above 500, all of that, so you are just gonna maintain eye contact with group of people. But if it is just 50, 60 people, even then it's easily possible to maintain eye contact with everyone. Depends on how much time you're gonna spend on stage. Correct. If I'm spending 1 hour, it's possible for me to maintain eye contact with everyone. But if I'm spending just 3 to 5 minutes, it's highly difficult for me to maintain eye contact with everyone. That time I'm gonna go with a group. But if I have a small number of people, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna look left side, and left side I'm gonna look at that one person only.
Yes, ma'am.
Maintain eye contact like this, 2 to 3 seconds while talking, and while talking you slowly shift to the middle audience. Look there, 3 to 5 seconds, and then slowly shift to the right audience. Look at one person, 3 to 5 seconds, and come back to the middle person, and then you go back like this. So you're not going to be like this, you're going to be like smoothly. Okay.
Yes.
So every time you are going from left to right, left, middle, and right, you're gonna, now I looked at side, second time I'm gonna look at the other person, not at you.
Yes,
And third time when I again come back in the left, I'm
Another
gonna move to another person. So left, middle, and right. So in the right, if you saw one person now, you're gonna change the person. That way everyone will feel that you're considering them, you're seeing them, they are feeling heard, they're feeling seen. Okay, so that's one thing you can do.